provides crisp tasting water. NSF certified carbon activated filter sediment filter. Eliminates chlorine, lead, rust. 1500 gallon capacity, lasts 6 months. 0.5 gallon/minute flow rate. The Avalon 2-stage replacement water filters are suitable for Avalon Bottle-less water coolers purchased after April 1, 2018. It consists of 2 filters. An NSF-certified activated carbon filter, listed as Model A4 filter, which will eliminate chlorine, lead, rust, or any harmful or unwanted minerals from the tap water that flows through it. As well as a sediment filter, listed as Model A5 filter, to filter out any rust or large particles of dirt in the water. The filters can be easily replaced into the cabinet of a water cooler. The filters have a capacity of 500 gallons of water and is made to last for 6 months of use. They have a flow rate of 0.5 gallons per minute. Both filters must be used together. Your water will be tasting crisp and pure with these installed in your water cooler. Stage 1 sediment filter, maximum working pressure 58 psi. pH range 5 to 10. Stage 2 activated carbon block filter, maximum working pressure 125 psi. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement. Finally came time to replace my original filters. These were a direct replacement and got my water up and running again.